All right, I'm back at it. I thought my drains were just clogged. No blue. I have a clogged sewer line. Water keeps on backing up. So 2 nights later, we're back at it. Pumping that water back out. Waiting for my plumber, who is now my hero, to clean out that pit that is filled with waste. So I caution you, the next part of this video is a little disgusting, but we broke through the sewer line, so it's starting to drain. This was filled up before. It's slowly going down. You see the bubbles. And oh, thank goodness you don't have smell vision, because it smells horrible. Let's see how bad it is back here. All right. Water's drained down here too. So these drains are draining. Water's all dry back here now, finally. Thank goodness. A little water in there. I can handle that. Thanks, buddy. All right, my hero from the city of Chicago. There he goes. Woo! Taking care of the sewer for us. Sewer's no longer backed up. Shout out to Eric Gazzetta coming out to help me out tonight. I got my plumber out here. Hell yeah! Well, here we are looking at the sewer line, and we hear running water. My hero, the plumber, Miro. So, another property management tip. I do this annually, but sometimes during heavy rains, the sewer will back up and lodge your own sewer in your house. But you should, every year, get your sewer line rotted out for tree roots and waste that gets stuck. Ideally, you're not doing this at 9 o'clock on a weeknight like we are here. And here's the router. You got this little pipe coil that goes down into the ground, bottom of the sewer, and rods out any roots and lodged wastes. And thank God for the plumber. And just like that, it's all dry. It's all dry. Just like that. All dry. People, keep those sewer lines clean. All right, people. It's 9 o'clock on Tuesday night. Just wrapped up with the plumber. Track the history. I did not ride out the sewer line at this investment property last year, so it's been 2 years. What I thought was a clogged drain in my back patio turns out to be a backed up sewer line that had a bunch of roots that needed to be rotted out, and caused me a lot of unnecessary extra work, headaches, and money. Be sure to do your maintenance. Rot out those sewer lines once a year, especially if you have an old building with lots of trees. And I also learned I gotta clean out the waste, the soap waste and grease out of one of my catch basins that hasn't been done, and it needs a new lid. So we learned some things tonight. Learn from my mistakes. Always set some reminders to clean out these sewer lines. I have 3 more to go to get all rotted out. And we're gonna put cameras down and make sure the sewer lines are all in good health still. And just do your maintenance, guys. It saves you money, saves you time, saves you headaches, and keeps you out of crisis. That's it. Have a good night.